Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the third trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks and news. The first one is Titan, where the company's net profit is down by 4.8%. Revenue is up by 14.6%, EBITDA is up by 3.6%, but margins are contracted here, reported at 9.4%. Jewelry segment grew by 26% on yearly basis. Watch and wearable segment grew by 15%. EyeCare segment grew by 16%, and emerging business grew by 5% on yearly basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Tata Power, where the company's net profit is up by 10.4%, revenue is up by 5%, EBITDA is also up by 38.6%, and margins are here reported at 21.8% versus 16.5%. The next stock is Metropolis Health, where the company net profit is up by 15.4% at 31 crores. Revenue is up by 11%. EBITDA is also up by approximately 11%, and margins are reported on the flat side at 22.3%. The next stock is Torrent Power, where the company net profit is up by 30.8% at 490 crores. Revenue is up by 2%. EBITDA is also up by 6.5%, and margins are reported at 17% versus 16.4%. The next stock is Max Financial Services, where the company's net profit is down by 62% at 56 crores. Net interest income of the company is up by 61.2% at 122 crores. Also, the total AP of the company is reported at 2,108 crores. Value of new business is at 489 crores, and the margins are reported at 23.2% versus 27.2%. Along with that, Max Financial to raise up to 1,300 crore via NCD in the one or more tranches. The next stock which you need to look at is Lemon Tree Hotel, where the company's net profit is up by approximately 77% at 62 crores. Revenue is also up by 22.4%. EBITDA is up by 30.5%, and margins are reported at 51.9% versus 48.7%. The next stock is Whirlpool of India, where the company's net profit is up by 57% at 44 crores. Revenue is up by 11%. EBITDA is also up by 10.4%, and margins are flat here and reported at 4.1% on yearly basis. The next stock is JK Tyre, where the company net profit is down by 76.7% at 51 crores. Revenue is also down by 0.4%. EBITDA is down by 42.9%, and margins are reported at 8.6% versus 14.9%. Along with that, company reports an exceptional loss of 17.6 crore loss versus 4.4 crore loss on the Y&Y basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Birla Corp, where the company's net profit is down by 71.4% at 31 crores. Revenue is down by 2.3%. EBITDA is down by 34.4% at 248 crores. Margins are reported at 11% versus 16.4% on Y&Y basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Zomato, because the company gets favorable order dropping GST demand order of worth 6 crores and penalty of 6 crore for the period July 2017 to March 2021. The next stock which you need to look at is Lupin, because Lupin issue clarification on reports that the Lupin gets US FDA not for the generic HIC drugs. So these were some of the stocks which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.